Brody. Brody got a new toy.
Yeah, time machine.
It's the time machine. And he loves it.
Good job.
Did you wear yourself out? You've been going on for 5 minutes now. Time machine.
Another time machine.
Let's see what it's actually really called.
Time machine.
Pretty cool.
Time machine.
Time machine. I did not call you, any of you guys, to come over here.
Good job.
Wearing yourself out, huh? Oh crap. Is that what you said? Oh crap. Brody! Yay! Good job!
Yay!
Here it comes. That's what you sound like.
Stop, stop, stop. Oh, man, he's
Alright, we'll come back later. Kitty's gotta sleep on the couch. 3 out of 5 kitties gotta sleep on the couch all together. I love them. Hi, Blanket. Hi, Creature. Hi, Kitty Boo Boo. Kitty Softballs. Captain Creature. Blanket. She ignorant. Oh, so adorable. Now, if this isn't adorable, I don't know what is. Blanket. Captain Creature. Key Softpaws, aka Key Boo Boo. They like lay here. I set this blanket up for them every night. And they sleep here now. We're just missing Django and Monster. If only the couch was as big as this one, they could all fit across it. I'm going to have to find a blanket and try to get them to all do that. Because they do sleep together. I mean, you've seen past vlogs where they sleep in the bedroom. The spare bedroom we have now that's going to be our future second son's bedroom. But I've been blocking it off for now. Oh, they're so cute. Cats. So every time I open the fridge, Brody gets very excited. And then every time I close it, he cries. Let's see if we can get him to do that. We just both got, well, I got a shower, he got a bath, we're nice and clean. We don't smelly boys anymore. Because we smelled yesterday, dude. Especially you. You were smelling, man. It's been like 5 days since you had a bath. Alright, let's open this fridge. Oh, look. The fridge. Fridge. Oh, I gotta close it. Now let's open it. It's open. Ah! Fridge. Fridge. Come on, dude. You staying all day. So what's going on with you? Fridge. Fridge. Whoop. Fridge. Alright, Daddy's gonna close it again. Okay, watch your head. I don't know if I can close with his head or not. It's like right on the border of it. Oh, fridge is closed. What do you want out of the fridge? Huh? What do you need out of the fridge? Brody. Brody. Bear cub. He opened this the other day, the freezer. Brody. Dad. Dad. Say Dad. Close enough. Come on, let's go back in the living room, okay? Dad. 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 Brody. 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 Mom. Cat. Dad. I wish I recorded him in the bath today. Oh my god, he splashes so much. I'll have to do that next bath. Alright, living room. Fridge. Fridge. Fridge! Fridge! Fridge. Boop. What do we got in there? Daddy just did a lot of work with all the produce. Cut it up and froze a lot of it. Make some baby food for you. Alright, Bear Cub. It's gonna be your first time in here. Well, that you remember, because Grandma did it by accident when you were too little. Yeah. So we're gonna push you for a little bit because it's nice out. And we'll see how that goes. You get the breeze in your face. Yeah. It's gonna be nice. All good. Let's go. Boo boo. Here he comes up the beautiful painted hallway. And through all the toys. Oh, what? The car's so damn wet. Oh, I don't know if you're going to be able to get through. Yeah, you ready to go for a ride? Mommy's mad at this. Daddy hung this poster up. And look, it's signed over here. And Mommy's mad. She's like, where did you get that from? When did you go to a calendar signing? Oh, Daddy did it at work, you know. Alright, let's go. He's like, man, that was bright.
Christmas tree?
Oh, Christmas tree stuck in your hair. It's bright. Let's go. Walking time.
I know. Come on.
I'm coming. Alright, we're walking. I never even said what date it was. I don't even know what it is. Wednesday, March 9th. That's right, Brody is 8 months young today, man.
8 months old today.
Yeah, you are 8 months, man. 8 months. Yeah.
Mommy's 18
Cruising.
weeks.
And Mommy is 18 weeks pregnant with baby number boy number 2. Little nervous here. Really fucking nervous. I don't know if I can handle another one. It's gonna be rough. He's enough as it is, crawling all over the place and then having to change one at the same time when you go back to work, and I'm still working at home doing videos and making videos then. Oh boy. Look at your hair. You cruising, dude. You cruising. Woo. Cruising. Cruising. Mommy cruising. Gonna run fucking Daddy over.
Oh.
She said,
Power walking.
slow down.
Power walking.
Slow down, girl. My man. Man, let me get one shot of stop. How's that going for you? Sun in your eye? There you go. Why you look like confused? He's like, Because it's all new to him, you know.
Yeah, Greg doesn't understand.
You haven't been out like this in a long time, and you were facing the other way.
Uh-huh.
First walk for Brody thumbnail.
Wow, it's not your first
Well,
one.
not your first walk, but first walk facing forward.
Yeah.
Well, give us a smile, man. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, there you are. Well, now we're going to go to Walmart because Daddy needs to get glasses because he's had that electrical tape on his glasses since Christmas Day when they broke. I think it's time I get some new glasses, you know? Welcome to Walmart, Brody. You're at Walmart. And this is what Mommy wants to get you in the future. Daddy's glasses didn't work out for him. He's going to look online first before he gets his glasses, okay? Because he's got a fat head. The brand's even called Fat Heads. So he had to put glasses on his big fat head. You don't you laugh too much because you got a big head and you're going to be in that situation when you get older. We have big fat heads together. Big fat heads together.
He's like, are you fucking kidding me?
No, tickle me, yeah. Hi, hello.
Is it making noise?
Paw
Heroes.
Patrol for Christian. You get to go to a banger this Saturday. Christian's second birthday, man. He's like eyeing the Paw Patrol too. He's like, yo, man, you gonna get me some toys, Mommy or Daddy, or what? Daddy and Mommy will probably not be bringing you here as you get bigger because you'll be driving everything.
Yeah.
So this is your first and possibly last trip to Walmart anytime soon.
Oh, she just texted me.
I changed my mind. We will not bring Mommy to Walmart because every time she comes here and she sees something you would like, she decides to get it. But you do need this, I guess. You'll have fun with it. You can walk. It's going to show you how to walk, dude. Even though you pretty much got that down already.
Oh, I have to get like a gift bag.
All right, Brody, who's that? It's Mickey. It's Mickey. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey. He's still looking. Look at him.
That's not gonna fit in here, right?
I have no idea. Who's that? Mickey. Who's that, Brody? Brody, look. Who's that, Mickey? It's a bigger Mickey. Like you have a big Mickey and a little Mickey. Oh, It's gonna jump on you. Oh. No, it's just for wrapping. Walmart and a walk. Or a walk in Walmart. Maybe to sleep. Brody, wake up. Hey. Hey. Wake up, little boy. Wake up. So, Kitty Boo Boo has chosen to sleep up here. Above Blanket and Django. The sisters. Good night, kitty cats. I love you. You want to see yourself? Look, that's you. Want to see yourself? That's you. How about you? You want to see yourself? Huh? Jang? Alright. Seriously though, good night, cats. I'm fucking tired. Walmart and walking wore me out. I'm old. Good night. And I still have the same shitty glasses. But I'll order them this week, hopefully. Good night.